5 seconds. If you look at the world today, even countries that stand 100% for private enterprise are by a strange evolution changing over fairly rapidly. Stop in almost every country of Europe, a deliberate change hyphen over is taking place. Stop. The pace of the change hyphen over differs from country to country. Stop. It is not enough merely to increase production unless you know what happens to the produce. Stop. The early 19th century or the late 18th century saw the growth of the modern industrialization and the rate of the production increased tremendously. Stop. The people in England who produced were not men who spent their money in luxury. Stop. They lived a hard life. Semicolon. It was almost a religion with them to save money for development. Stop. To develop the country, they lived simple lives. Have high semicolon, but in saving for the country, they used their workers in a way which nobody can conceive of as tolerable today. Stop. The conditions that existed in England in the early 19th century were really amazing semicolon, but they did thereby lay the foundations of a certain process of saving for the development of England. Stop. If England had to do the same today, she could not do it, because social objectives have changed and the problem of industry has to be approached in a different way. Stop. I just mentioned controls. Stop. Obviously, nobody is going to say that controls are good in themselves and should be retained for their own sake. Stop. At the same time, I think nobody is prepared to say that there should be no controls. Semicolon. Whatever happens. Stop. If that is the question, it is a question of examining when, where and which controls are necessary. Stop. The question of social objectives is bound to come up when the possible consequences of imposing controls or withdrawing them are considered. Stop. For instance, it is my firm belief that one of the fatal steps that my government took was to remove control on cloth 2 or 3 years ago. Stop. It was a dangerous step which had dangerous consequences, semicolon, and I am not prepared to face those consequences again. Stop. If those consequences are repeated, the whole social structure will tumble down. Stop. Of course, controls encourage corruption and all that. Stop. I should like to do away with them, semicolon, but I am not prepared to see starvation and nakedness over large part of India from the sake of some theoretical idea that, if we did not have controls, we would gradually settle down. Stop. Of course, we would, semicolon, but, gradually, most of us will be dead, to stop. Therefore, I would like you to realize that any policy you may undertake, adopt or recommend, whether economic or political, cannot be judged from the kind of static viewpoint which one might have accepted some years ago. Stop. We live constantly on economic and political volcanoes. Stop. It may well be that some policy that might have been profitable or, at any rate, could not have produced disastrous result some years ago, if followed now, may produce such repercussions as would shake the whole social structure which we all represent. Stop. I do not, of course, challenge our capacity for appreciate these various problems, semicolon, but you will permit me to say that in some matters I represent expert knowledge stop. I may go wrong completely in the economic or political field, but I represent a certain expert knowledge of the psychology of India and her people stop. My previous contacts with the Indian masses have been so intimate that I can somehow sense what they feel because it has been my great good fortune to have had the affection of the Indian people stop. Even when they thought that I had acted wrongly, they gave me their love and affection, and there can be no more precious gift than that stop. It has been a very great burden on me that people should be so gracious and kind to me stop. But I am convinced that whatever that way may be, there is no going forward very far without the largest measure of cooperation from the people stop. I therefore, appeal to you for intelligent cooperation. Stop. I ask no man not to criticize our government or its doing, but I do wish you and others to appreciate the crisis and the emergency that we are living in. Stop. Humanity is passing through a crisis. Stop. It would not matter very much, if somebody losing something or gain something, provided we achieved that we wanted. Stop. That is the spirit in which I would like you and the country to face our problems, and that is the spirit in which I want the planning committee to face them and to produce something, as rapidly as possible, which can be a kind of nucleus for our actions and a basis for all classes and groups of people to come together, confer together, and then to move forward jointly. Stop. This is the only way in which our country and our people can march forward in the committee of nations and would advance towards becoming a developed country in the years to come. Stop. The government is making all out efforts in that direction. Stop.